Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over the jasper.ai recipes, specifically when it comes to cold email. Consider this an AI cold email tutorial where it's going to pretty much create what you need to send out to someone after including their name and getting some details. So if you'd like to follow along, I will put my link down below in the description. And if you click that, you can get a free trial and many bonus words for Jasper. Let's continue. So here I am in the dashboard. If you want to follow along, you're going to want to go to recipes. There's going to be a recipe called cold email, which will look something like this. And this is a very simple recipe. It's kind of like baking a cake. It tells you what you need to add here. And then of course it shows you what you need to do. In case that looks like a foreign language or you don't quite understand that, I will show you in this video. So let's click on run and give it a sec. All right, so this is very easy. All we need to do is add in the product name. I'm just going to be using Jasper to talk about Jasper. So jasper.ai, and I went to their main homepage and simply got their description. Oops. I'm going to open this in Notepad. I copied it with the black in the background, so make it look a little better. Perfect. Okay, so just following along, obviously you're probably not going to be putting Jasper in here, but if you have your own product or someone else's, the name and just a description, and simply from that, you're going to be good to go. You can always add a little bit more in your description. For example, I think I will in this. All right, so you can also use Jasper to create content for your blog, video scripts, emails, ads, social media social media post, and so much more. So here is the very easy part. Write an AIDA for the product above. AIDA is a copywriting formula, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and attention. So I'm going to go through these short codes as I usually do when I start a recipe video. So let's go right here. And the main thing you're probably going to want to use is a Jasper command. So if you're on a Mac, it's holding CMD and then hitting enter. If you're like me on a PC, you're going to hold control and then hit enter. So for me, I'm going to put my cursor right there, hold control and hit enter. And just like that, it's going to create the AIDA formula for us. And I'll just hit enter so you can read it. Are you looking for a way to create amazing content quickly and easily? Look no further than Jasper. Talks about what you can do with what I wrote in the description. Having access to unlimited supply of fresh ideas and new perspectives on any topic or project. That's also a nice little angle, I guess you could say, because there's a lot of ideas you can get from doing it in terms of content and marketing and angles. Copywriting platform is constantly learning from your feedback. And of course, an action is going to be sign up now for a free trial of Jasper today. So pretty much all of this is context that we have for Jasper. Now we have the last part, which is going to be very easy. I'll use my name in this just as an example. So convert the attention, interest, desire, and action into a cold email to James. So this is going to be wrapped up in a nice little bow. And by that, or all of this right here. And what I mean by that is going to be, excuse me, I was highlighting too much. This formula right here is going to be a cold email that we can send to someone named James. I'm going to hold control and hit enter. All right, so first things first, I realized the output length was medium, so it got cut off and didn't do too much. No problem. What I want to do is hold control and hit Z and go back to where we had it originally. Now I'm going to do output length, and I'm going to go back again, once again, hold control and hit enter. Okay, perfect. So something to keep in mind, if you are going to do a cold email, you're probably going to want to do the longer output. Like if you do shorter or medium, you're not going to get enough. But let's actually look at this cold email. All of it is right here. So dear James, are you looking for a way to create amazing content quickly and easy? If so, look no further than jasper.ai, the powerful AI content platform designed to help you break through creative blocks and generate original content 10x faster. With its AI-powered engine, you can craft engaging stories with ease, no matter the kind of project you're working on. It's kind of skimming through, right? Then let's go to the last one. Imagine how much more efficient your workflow could be if you had access to it. Sign up for a free trial. Jasper is ready to help you craft amazing content in record time. Cheers, your name. Overall, not bad, especially when you consider this is a cold email. It uses the formula with the AIDA, and because of that, with the product description, I think it did pretty well in terms of talking about what it has. As you can see right here, this is what I put in the description, so I stand corrected. When we created this, it utilized all of this. As you can see, when I added in this little extra about how it talks about what you can use for more features, it mentioned that right about, I just lost it already. Here we are. Right there. So perfect. That's an example of using a Jasper recipe when it comes to creating cold emails using AI. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to try out Jasper, I will leave my link down below in the description where you can get a free trial with many bonus words. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.